No way. It's an Otis Lexan look. These are really hard to find. Ooh. No, it's not Otis. No, it's a Dover. No. Oh. With halo buttons. Nice. These are only the ones halo buttons are only found on freight elevators, not passengers. Hey Jess, how do you like it? Bumpers. This is at the Rio Bravo Title Office building. It's traction Dover. There's the indicator.
Any door open and door closed?
No, it's just door open.
Yeah, what about that?
That's a little sign for a door opening sign.
Isn't that a sign for doors?
No smoking in elevator. Nice Dover halo buttons. I like these. 2,500 pounds. These are really fast.
Yeah.
Hey Jess, what do you think of this elevator?
It's pretty different. Is that blue?
Here's a little cab view. The floor, the walls, the ceiling. Okay, stop that one. Let's get off that one.
Yeah.
Oh, my lenses are kind of scratched up, but still. Okay, let's go. Old bumpers. Neat. There it is inside.